Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating spreads in my wellness section. So it's my meal planner, which is Frosted Blooms, and my wellness planner, which is Nature and Nurture. Both of these are classic happy planners. So here we go. As always, I'm going to go ahead and start and name all of my meals in this planner. So this one is the Frosted Bloom ones. It is a vertical planner, so I'm super excited to be meal planning yet again. I think I finally found a system that really works for me, and I'm so happy. So I'm just going to cut out a little square to put in the sidebar section where the flowers are, and then I'm going to go ahead and put grocery list on top of this. It's a little bit see-through, but I don't mind. Once I put the groceries, it will look great. So here we go. And now I'm going to go ahead and put all of the meal names down as always. So we have breakfast, lunch, dinner, AM snack, PM snack. This is where I am. I hope you guys will like this. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before and you're coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. I appreciate you. And I'm hoping you're having fun. So here we go. So I am fast forwarding this, so we're almost done with this section, and that's fantastic. And then the minute I'm done, we can go ahead and decorate. So today I'm going to be using the Spring Chic sticker book from Live Love Posh. As you guys already know, I am obsessed with her stickers, and I thought this was so beautiful with the blue hues and the pinks and all of that, and I thought how pretty. So I am incorporating these. Again, very simple decorations because this planner is mostly function. I need my meal plan and I need to know what I have in my fridge and so on, and I do low carb. And this is a Zig dot pen, so it makes perfect dots. My grocery list, all of this. So let's go ahead and start meal planning. This is probably my favorite part of this planner, when I actually get to sit down and think about what healthy choices I can make. So we have some hard-boiled eggs, which I absolutely love and I think are so good. Then I'm gonna do a smoothie, which is also a great option, right? I'm gonna take this page out and we're gonna just do really quick hard-boiled eggs for breakfast again. I think that's a good one. Lunch is usually leftovers or salads for me. Sometimes it's a combination of both when I do half a salad and half a leftover from dinner. So that's usually how it goes. I do have an inventory of my freezer. I know, guys, I am crazy. I'm a crazy planner lady that has inventory of everything. So I'm just seeing what protein I have so I can make healthy choices. So we can do chicken drumsticks just like baked on Monday. Let's see. I can have plum as a snack. I love plums. And then some strawberries, then plum again, and plum again, because I just love it. I don't know why. Seaweed, I eat a lot of that as well. I buy those in miniature, like few packages, and I think it's so good. So I have multiple things in this planner. I have a meal plan that I created a while back. Like I said, I have my freezer inventory, I have food ideas, so this planner is full of beautiful things. Then we have chili for dinner on Tuesday. Let's go ahead and do a couple more little things and I will be ready. So that will be leftovers because I'm going to make chili on Sunday, so then we can go ahead and have some chili from Sunday on that. And then maybe turkey meatballs on Wednesday. It's one of the healthier options. So Wednesday is done. Let's continue with Thursday and on. So I'm going to do the same thing. So first we're going to have a hard-boiled eggs because those are just things I gravitate towards. And then obviously leftovers, plum. Red grapes are good as a snack. I love eating those as well. Butternut squash soup. I love that option as well. Lettuce wraps are usually my go-to as well. So avocado toast on Friday. I will be home most of the Friday doing other things. So I thought that was a good option to have for a meal. And then eggs for breakfast, yogurt with fruit, eggs and bacon for lunch or brunch, I should say. And then we can do just snacks, more snacks since Friday and Saturday and possibly Sunday we're going to be out. And if we decide not to, we can always eat leftovers because there will be plenty. Okay, banana as a snack, plum as a snack. And then we are practically done with this portion of string cheese is a good snack as well. So as you can see, I'm doing a little bit of a lower carb intake. So that is something that I really like doing and it keeps me happy. And now we're gonna go ahead and proceed and do my wellness plan, which again is nature and nurture, and this is a wellness layout. So that's what we're going to be using. We're going to be using stickers from Beautifully Lined from Live Love Posh. When I saw this, I needed it, I wanted it, so we are doing it. Okay, so these are these lined florals. It's one of her first pages in this book. It is so lovely and beautiful, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put them down. Look how pretty, delicate, beautiful, simplistic. I am running out of adjectives to describe these florals, but as you can tell clearly, I am obsessed. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and continue doing that, and then I'll add some checklist to the nutrition portion as well. But before I do that, let's add more flowers because why not? So I'm gonna add this big arrangement right there. I think that is so pretty. As you guys know, wellness is something I struggle with. I'm trying to find my balance in the world and it's so hard. So I am trying my best. This is really helping me because it has grounded me as far as what I can and cannot do. It has really guided me, grounded me, showed me what's possible, showed me what's being unrealistic. So when I eat like crap, I feel like crap. And I know it's so like easy to listen to other people and know it, but when you experience it, it hits you differently. You're like, oh, my body does move different. It is interesting. So just some black checklists for breakfast, lunch, dinner, morning snack, and afternoon snack. I'm gonna cut some flowers and add some edges right there. These are so stunning, you guys. I cannot express enough how much I love these. So I'm gonna keep going really quickly because come on, these are beautiful. This is probably going to be one of my favorite spreads. I can already tell based on these lined arts. I just love this book. If you have it, let me know if there's your favorite arrangement in there, and if so, which one is it? For me, it's probably this and like the green. Well, who am I kidding? It's the whole book. Like this whole book of line art is absolutely stunning and I can't get enough. So I'm just doing a whole like a whole thing of this. I don't know why and I don't know how, but it's happening. So I'm going to cover these up really quickly, and we're going to write movement and meds as always. And then up here we're going to write mood and sleep. Okay, and I'm going to make some dots, and once I do that, we are pretty much done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment. I love answering those, and let me know which sticker books are your favorite. What do you like to decorate with in your planner? And I hope you guys have a happy and healthy week. I will see you soon. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.